this video, we're asked to complete the square on the quadratic. So x squared minus 6x plus 11. Right, we're always going to start them with x. Use the sign what's there and half whatever's in front of the coefficient on x. Right, now just decide if I times that bracket out, so x minus 3, x minus 3, I'm going to get x squared minus 3x minus another 3x. Right, now I've got 3 times 3 is 9, and the two negatives will make it a positive 9. So this has got plus 9 on the end. I need it to have plus 11 on the end. So if I put plus 2 on the end of there, that's now going to be equal to x squared minus 6x plus 11. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.